friends! Today we are working in a quarry, and to accomplish all of the tasks, we need a mining bulldozer. Let's assemble the mining bulldozer and learn what parts make it up. Let's start with the foundation of our carrier bulldozer. On each side we fasten the tracks. They will be needed to move over uneven surfaces of the carrier. Done! Next, we're setting the dashboard with the steering wheel and the driver's seat for the bulldozer. And all of this we're placing into the cab. So, the cab for a driver of the mining bulldozer is ready. And now it's time to install the engine. And then the hood, which protects the engine and other elements of the engine compartment of our mining bulldozer from the negative impact of the external factors. But carrier is an unsafe place, so let's set the protection on top of the cabin. Lights, pistons, and rear hooks. And finally, and most importantly, the bucket of our mining bulldozer. The mining bulldozer is ready! A mining bulldozer is a very big machine. Height of mining caterpillar bulldozer is 16 feet. And the length is 41 feet. The weight of this monster is 142.5 tons. It weighs almost as much as the biggest animal, the blue whale. Due to its caterpillars, the bulldozer can even drive through the most hazardous surfaces. Just look! A mining bulldozer has a large capacity. This mechanism is used to transfer a huge amounts of soil at the short distances. In order to ensure continuous work of the powerful excavators and heavy-duty trucks in quarries, a bulldozer is needed. Its task is to keep the big areas and roads around the excavators in a working condition. Dear friends, it's time to say goodbye. Now you know how to assemble a mining bulldozer. Like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.